Tiny. Teeny. Teeny and Tiny's classroom.
Hey, don't tell Tiny. I've hidden his elephant. Huh?
Tiny, have you seen my elephant?
Your elephant? What does it look like?
It's gray, and it has a long trunk.
Gray with a long trunk. Yes, I know where your elephant is.
Really? Where?
Under a big green handkerchief.
Great! But Teeny, have you seen a big green handkerchief?
Well...
Let's play the puzzle game.
I wonder what it's going to be.
Can you guess what it is, Teeny?
Oh, it's an elephant.
That's right.
Oh, it's all mixed up again.
Let's put it back together. Yay!
Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom. Beep, 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 beep.
Huh?
Vroom, vroom. Vroom.
Teeny, what are you doing?
I'm driving my car.
Huh?
Vroom, vroom. Vroom.
Teeny, that's not a car.
Really?
It's a shoe.
A shoe? But Tiny. It's a telephone.
Huh?
Hello? Yeah. Okay. Tiny, it's for you.
What? Hello? It's Tiny speaking. Hey, that looks like fun. Let's try it too.
Whoa, it is fun. Whoa.
To the right.
And now to the left. Bye-bye. Come on, follow me. Bye-bye. See you.
Bye, so long.
Hope you had fun.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Tiny.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.